everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, hope you had a wonderful weekend and hope you got some time with your family and your friends. And yes, with God's people in his house, worshiping in his house or online. And yes, I know it's Monday and it's Labor Day there in America and also in Canada. Happy Labor Day to you all, my viewers there in Canada and America. Happy Labor Day to you all, and have a safe holiday. Have a safe Monday. Yes, so as you know, it's September. Yes, happy September. So many things happening in September on this first Monday of September. And yes, I'm happy to let you know that our Monday Meds channel has been launched. So yes, you type in Monday Meds and you will see our new channel on YouTube. And I'm happy to let you know that we will be switching over to that new channel next week. So definitely share, share, and subscribe to this new channel, Monday Meds. And also definitely look out for some wonderful programs, wonderful series in the new Monday Meds channel, or on the new Monday Meds channel. All right, so today we will be talking about continuing with Transplanting 101. Yes, Transplanting 101. And today we're going to be talking about Pak Choy. Pak Choy. And yes, we're going to be showing you how you can sprout it and how you can transplant it. And look, check out towards the end of the video what I'll be doing or what we'll be sharing. So these are Pak Choy, two stalk of Pak Choy that I cut off the bottom, and they're soaking here to sprout. And if you can see, you can notice that they started sprouting from I cut it. When I cut it, this one was like this one, yeah, and see it already sprouting with just getting water. Yes, so add them to water, let them sprout a bit before you actually put them in the ground. This is Pak Choy, and I just cut it and left the bottom like we did with the green onions or the scallions, as you can see, and just put it in some water and it started to sprout. So we're going to be adding it to the patch over here. Yes, I'm gonna add it right here. Give it some. And yes, I'm looking forward to getting some seed from my cousin who is a farmer. Shout out to you, my cousin Janice. And this is the Pak Choy that was planted a few weeks ago. If you notice there, it's coming up very nicely. Yes, we need to definitely use some. There is a caterpillar. He's the one that's been eating up those leaves. There he is. There he is. There he is. Let's see if we can get this more focus. You can see him down there. Right down there where that stick is. That's the caterpillar. A dark. Yeah, so we gotta definitely use some solution, natural solution, whether baking soda mixture or some other solution to save my Pak Choy. Yeah, but it's coming up very nicely, and remember, it's coming up from the sprouting. Just cutting off the bottom and putting it in water first. So yeah, that's country living. Yes, this is the Pak Choy, and as you can see, it started to sprout, and not just sprout, but it started growing. And I hope you enjoy the videos on Pak Choy, and transplanting them. And right now we're going to cut it because yes, like you saw the video with the caterpillar, I don't want the caterpillar to, even though we treated this with some baking soda and some vinegar solution, I don't want the caterpillar to eat off all our food. So we're going to just cut off a few leaves, and you can definitely do it, put it in your stir fry. Yes, you can put it in your stir fry. You can stir fry it with onions, and you can add it. It's not a lot, but it's something more than what we had from the sprouts, those little sprouts. So see, they usually come bigger, but of course, we're going to rescue them before the caterpillar eats them. Hope you enjoyed those videos on the Pak Choy. And yes, as you know, I always have a biblical application to this. And yes, like Joel, the prophet Joel, in Joel 2:25, this is a promise that I hope that you will take with you this week. As God said through the prophet Joel, he said, I will restore to you the years the locust hath eaten. And yes, the cankerworm, and the caterpillar, yes, caterpillar is in the Bible, the caterpillar and the palmer worm, my great army which I have sent among you. Welcome to all my new subscribers to Tanisha Lawrence channel, and I hope that you have been blessed by all that I've been sharing on this channel. And as we switch over to Monday Medz channel, or Monday Medz new channel, definitely join us there. And shout out to Delia, my newest subscriber. Thank you, Delia, and God bless you to all my new subscribers. God bless you, and keep watching. I pray that you have a wonderful week, everyone. Yes, and God be with you.